Hey guys, so haven't posted in a while, but tonight is worthy of a video. So I came home and the cat has been missing, and we found her up in the tree. We're supposed to get a blizzard tomorrow, 6 inches of snow, something like that. So the cat's got to come down. Well, honestly, you're better. Because if you don't grab her, she could just go higher. She probably will.
Well, is there something I can attract her with? Like a treat or something on the end of a stick or something? I'm serious. I get it to come today because it's so hungry.
Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Well, I'd probably just put a piece of cold meat or something on there. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty.
I'm going to get up there and
Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Go up on that ladder. Hurry. Kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, good kitty. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, wait. Just don't scare it. Oh, she's going back up. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Wrong way, cat. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty. Come on. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Come on. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty. Were you just teasing us all day? What happened to you? Huh? What happened to you? Huh? What were you doing, you silly kitty? How'd you get down? Come on. All right. What happened?
she was trying to climb down and then she just slipped all the way down the tree. I mean,
Like she fell.
she fell, so luckily she landed on a pile of snow. And then she ran away.
All right, thank you.
She burned a lot of stuff.
Well,
Let's tell your daughter she was a hero though, right?
what?
Tell
Come
her
here.
that I saved her. I want you to tell your daughters that I saved her. Like I climbed on the tree and I was holding her on her arm. I grabbed her with her. And I went from branch to branch and then brought her down. You guys want to know what happened with the cat?
Yep.
Well, I don't want to brag or anything, but what happened was I climbed as far as I could on the ladder, and I was probably 40 feet in the air already. Well, where the cat was 80 feet. The ladder only went 40 feet high, right? So I had to grab on a branch and then pull myself up and around the tree to the next branch, and then the next branch, and finally I got up to the cat, which was it was scared. You can imagine it was just sitting there like meowing, it wouldn't even move. So I grabbed it, and then as I grabbed the branch to climb down, it broke, and then I had to swing all the way around the tree. And luckily I grabbed onto this branch, and then it broke, and then I was lashed on the tree with my leg, and then I was face down, 80 feet up in the air, and the cat, I didn't want to drop the cat. So I had it in my hand, and it was scared. Luckily I swung it around on the other side of the tree, grabbed onto the tree, climbed back down to the branch where the ladder was, and then came down the ladder with the tree and basically saved the cat.
So, it's time.
So, I mean, That's all that happened. It wasn't a big deal. It was just, I was hanging there 80 feet in the air and almost died.
Yeah, not a big deal.
No, but,
Does that really happen?
which part?
Every single part.
Well, the cat was up in the tree, 80 feet high.
Did you actually land on it?
Yeah, what if
Did you actually hang by your
what if it
foot?
was a bush?
Well, the cat was up there and it got down. That's really all that you need to know. Did I actually climb branch to branch? I can't. It's been a long time.
I think it's okay.
I think he hit his head
It's
somewhere.
time to
Daddy,
go those muscles.
Daddy, did you actually hang by your leg?
Well, okay. I actually climbed the ladder and then I called
Did
the
you
cat.
actually hang by your leg?
I might have exaggerated that part, but
Joe-
I was on the ladder.
He hit his head when he was climbing. And he got a concussion and he didn't remember.
That could have happened. But what actually probably happened was I was on the ladder and I was calling to the cat and it was trying to come down to me and then it slipped and it fell 50 feet down.
Hey, Georgia,
Just
can you
ran
bring
away.
me?
Apparently it's no big deal for a cat to fall 50 feet in the snow.
Free time.
Poor thing. She's been up there for a while. Aw. Did you get cold? Why don't you get her some warm, get her warm water, not hot, but warm.